When I think about yesterday, my oh my,
If you haven't tried this Ekpang Nkukwo, go have a taste of it.
a kiss and so.
Hey guys, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. It's your girl Jojobanet and I would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'll be preparing Ekpang Nkukwo delicacy. It's a delicacy from South region of Nigeria. So guys, join me. Let's prepare this beautiful, authentic African delicacy together. Let's go. Cocoyam and water yam is the main ingredient for this meal. The cocoyam is already been peeled, cleaned, and set aside. I'm beginning to grate the cocoyam now, bit by bit. Guys, we are done grating the cocoyam and the water yam together. We are going to introduce palm oil into the cocoyam, then mix together. I'm using spinach to wrap it. You can use any choice of green as long as it's edible to wrap it. We just introduce our palm oil into the pot. Then we added the periwinkle into the pot as well. So we will be adding the Ekpang Nkukwo bit by bit. Added some little scent leaf inside. Then the smoked mackerel fish. We just added cow skin. Then onions. We added seasoning cube and grounded crayfish. Then we're adding palm oil now. We just introduce the scent leaf and water on the side of the pot. We will let it cook for 30 minutes. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thanks to everyone that have been showing me love, supporting me continuously on this platform. I love you all and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Guys, our meal is ready. Come have a taste.
Can I eat? You feel the food, right? This is traditional meal from South region of Nigeria, from Calabar precisely. If you haven't tried this Ekpang Nkukwo, go have a taste of it. Very rich in nutrition.
Auntie, it's too much.
What is that?
You're adding more food to the plate. So much.
Thank you guys for watching and remember to subscribe to this channel.